Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Netgear AC1200 dual band Wi-Fi range extender. The model number for this particular range extender is EX6110. There is a lot of information on this box. Over here it's written dual band Wi-Fi up to 1200 Mbps. So this is a dual band range extender, which means this is compatible with both 2.5 and 5 GHz Wi-Fi networks. Supports new 802.11 AC and BGN Wi-Fi devices, faster in technology for higher speed connections, works with any Wi-Fi router. More or less the same information over here. Over here it's written system requirement 2.4 and or 5 GHz wireless router or gateway, and ease of use, series setup, great for mobile devices, push and connect with WPS. Basically you just need to connect this to a router and you're good to go. Next generation Wi-Fi, Netgear installation assist, etc. Let's open this box and show you what's inside. And this is it. This is what you find inside this particular box. First we have a quick start for the EX6110. That's the model number that I mentioned earlier. There's a quick start for the AC1200 Wi-Fi range extender. Everything that you need to know is written right over here. There's a diagram illustrating the different parts like LED power router device WPS, reset WPS power on off, and everything basically that you need to know in order to operate this particular device you'll find in this particular document. And this is the range extender in question. This is from Netgear. It comes with this is the white variant. This has this glossy finish as well. There are 4 LED indicators on top. There's the power, the device indicator, the router indicator, and the WPS indicator as well. You will notice the Netgear logo right over here. You also have 3 buttons. There's a reset button, a button for the WPS, and this is the power button. So the idea is that you plug it to a wall and then near a router, and then you are good to go. And that's it. This is what you find inside the box containing the Netgear AC1200 dual band Wi-Fi range extender, model number EX6110. Thank you for watching.